This is Meenu. Today I'll be giving you a quick introduction to useMango, the scriptless functional test automation tool by Infuse. In this video, I'll be covering different aspects of the automation tool from creating to automating tests, the architecture of the solution, and its overall benefits to the user. So, useMango is a solution for building and executing automated software tests. It has a graphical test designer. The tests work within a test framework which provides the underlying features for building and executing test scripts. The design of the application is aimed not only at creating but also on maintaining tests. It is built primarily for UI testing. It provides a range of functionalities and out-of-the-box components, which is focused on UI testing. It allows the user who are not trained in writing code to be able to use the solution easily. So when we talk about automated test, a test is a software program normally written to validate and verify different features of the given application or product. When you're running a test, the program is carrying out a set of actions and providing with to the results of your actions. Traditionally, this means you have to program the test, and it requires some level of programming and technical knowledge. The different aspects of automating tests are having an idea what you need to test, knowledge on how to work the application and what needs to be tested. Then you require some program code which gives the instruction to the computer to carry out the test. You also need data, and this data could be something the user recognizes when they are using the application. It may be data related to the technical aspects of the application, such as how to interact with a particular part of the screen. Talking about useMango tests, they are designed to be scriptless and are constructed using components. These components are the building blocks of the test, pre-coded and ready to go. Our aim is to allow the users to quickly put the test together, and we want the test built in useMango to be maintainable. And the reason for that is it can be quite an investment to build automated tests, and we know things change over time, such as application can change, implementations can change, features can change. Therefore, you don't want to start again when an existing test breaks because of the above changes. So the test needs to be updated in order to adapt to the modifying conditions. Hence, maintainability is very important. useMango provides a graphical test designer for putting all these together. And we also have a feature for managing the data that goes into the test. Let's talk about the benefits of using useMango. Reuse is a key aim when we are looking at useMango and working out how to make this the best tool we can for automated testing. We think a lot about reuse. The component system we have is developed in a way that we reuse tests or part of tests within other tests. That brings a lot of benefits in terms of not having to cover the same ground more than once. Easy test maintenance. As I have mentioned before, once you have invested in automated tests, you can continue to benefit from that investment over time. Easy test creation. We think useMango is one of the easiest tools to use. We do use, as I have explained underneath, a lot of scripting and programming. We want to use an easy to use screen over the top of that so users are comfortable with creating tests. Obviously, execution of the test is important, and we want to be able to easily support that, and we have features for that as well. And having run the test, then we need to be able to see the output and analyze what's going on. So this is a very high level overview of the useMango system, what it comprises of. useMango installs as an application on your PC. It connects to a server. The server is where all the tests are stored, such as components, tests, etc. That means when you have a team of people, all of them working on the same server, they can share and work on the same set of tests. You have your application under test, which could be different applications you are working with, but that will be typically for useMango scenario. This would be an application you are familiar with and can be accessed on the same PC where useMango is installed. useMango will operate on the test and implement test processes and output results and come to the conclusion on test pass or fail. Then it will store all the data in the server. To schedule the execution of tests, they can be run individually using the application. Quite often, what people are aiming for these days is to integrate the test execution with some other large processes, which is the continuous integration when softwares are being built or produced. We have a experience with integrating with different systems. We can use Azure DevOps internally, and we also use Jenkins quite a lot. So we can also run tests with those systems and trigger batches of tests with useMango as you wish. So that's a big picture of useMango. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments or email us at info@infuse.it using the reference useMango intro video, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. In my next video, I'll show you how to operate useMango from start.